No, it's not my favorite thing to
Okay,
be.
see, okay, so see, it's not your favorite. Now, if you had somebody that could work that for you, then you wouldn't mind having it because you're not doing it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So for targeting, I would probably, until you get to the point where you are actually hiring people to do the jobs for you, if you're going to be solo and you're going to do it yourself, I would probably stick with offices and churches because they don't take up so much of your time and energy.
Okay.
Because if you keep doing that, you're going to burn yourself out. Then you're not going to want to do
Yeah.
this and you're going to move on. Okay? Makes sense?
Yeah. Yes,
But
sir.
yeah, but if you're going to get people to start to work for you, which is actually not hard to do, you can really subcontract. And I know your dad subcontracted it out to you. You can subcontract it
Hmm.
out to somebody else, and you'll be making
Yeah.
money off of somebody else doing that job. Not as much, but you'll be making money that you're not
Yeah.
working for. So that's like, you take like a pair of pants that's been sitting, been hanging up in your closet, and then you look in the pocket and it's a $50 bill in there.